This facility is operated by UAW 160 employees with some of the most competitive work rules in the corporation. These are very talented men and women, wood model makers, metal model makers, who basically operate these machines 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. These employees, these model makers, have taken their classic training and applied it to this new technology and come up with several innovations. In fact, some of the innovations that these men and women have created have become industry standards.
Our technicians work so closely with 3D manufacturing people that it has helped them to modify their equipment or actually bring enhancements into the trades and in the industry. Years on, you would actually have to manually load those machines with this powder and or mix those powders manually and then insert them. So they worked in conjunction with our folks to actually find out automating ways of loading those machines. And then through those ways of looking to automate them, we also found out, well, let's not look at just that. What about recycling some of this older material? Instead of just using always virgin material, let's go ahead and actually mix a blend of reused material with new material. And they've actually developed a machine station that actually combines those in one. To date, we calculate somewhere around 30% recycling benefit for us. And that again was with the collaboration of the Local 160 skilled trades folks down here in this very lab. And they never stop amazing me on how they come up with better ways to do it.
I'm a wood model maker by trade. I've been in the RP lab for 15 years. Then more I saw of it, I worked with it, and then I got into the department, and it just grew from there. It's unbelievable. And just seeing it advance, it's just great. I mean, things that we do now within a day or 2 days would take months to build by hand. We are really dedicated to what we're doing. That's the main thing. We all enjoy the work, and we want to see a good product come out, and that's what our main goal is. It's come a long ways from when we started.
I've worked for GM for 27 years. I'm a wood model maker by trade. And I've worked on the SC machines prior to that, but it's just cutting up parts and manipulating parts, understanding how they work and function and whatnot. So as the hot jobs can come down, like this here one here, I was able to quick cut it. I was able to put them in the top of this here shell here. I call them a shell. You can see these here little windshield wipers, they needed right away. So I was able to place them on the top of a build and never miss a beat, and they just keep going. Been a pleasure working here. We got a good group of people here. Enjoy it. So I got another 10 years or so. So
I'm the newest person, one of the newest members here. I came in with 3 other people. Well, one of the appeals is because it was a small group. And also, I wanted to learn more about the computers and how to do these types of things. And I found it fascinating that you could take a laser and make a part out of it. Well, there's several ways that we use our creativity, you might say. And one of them is the setup of the jobs. We have to look at the part and see how can this fit on this platform in order for it to be made on the machinery. You have to look at it different ways. So you have to have good spatial relationship skills. Pieces that won't fit on these platforms, we have to make them in several pieces sometimes in order for it to fit on the platform. I asked my daughter, but she's really not interested in this stuff. But my son, he would definitely be interested. So with the right training, maybe one day he'll be able to get a job here.
We once upon a time used to be the plan B, oh, I forgot to get this part in a system, to let's go to RP and get it made, to where now we're plan A. Hey, let's go there first. Let's try to get it made there. Why spend the green dollars? Why make the tooling changes and the tooling costs up front when we can actually utilize the rapid prototyping lab right now?
I don't see any end in sight for the use of this technology or General Motors' use of this technology. It is a way to reduce product development time, saves costs, gives designers more options. As such, we've been able to continue to grow, and I don't see that stopping anytime soon.